Hey everybody, it's Paula here and welcome to today's video. In today's video, what I want to do is actually talk to you about self-custody, because self-custody is quite important and a scary task for a lot of people when they're getting involved in crypto. And we've put a short course together. I've collaborated with Irish NFT Girl and we've put a short course together on self-custody when you're getting involved and started in crypto and NFTs. And I want to share with you today some of the content out of that course, just a little bit of content out of that course that will help you get started with self-custody. So let's hop over to that video now. Now, if you do find this video of value, please do give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to like and subscribe and do leave a comment below. At the end of the clip, I'll be back and I'll tell you how you can access that course.
Are you ready?
One of the best ways to self-custody cryptocurrency and digital assets is to use a hardware wallet. A hardware wallet is a physical device similar to a USB stick, and it stores your private keys and allows you to securely manage your digital assets. Unlike software wallets, which are stored on a computer or a mobile device and are vulnerable to hacking, a hardware wallet is designed to be highly secure and to protect your private keys from being accessed by anyone else. To use a hardware wallet, you will first need to purchase one from a reputable manufacturer. Don't buy a second-hand one or one off eBay. Once you have your hardware wallet, you can connect it to your computer and use it to generate new wallet addresses and private keys. Then you can transfer your digital assets to this wallet, where they'll be stored securely now on the hardware wallet. In addition to using a hardware wallet, there's a few other steps that you can take to ensure the security of your self-custodied cryptocurrency and digital assets. First of all, make sure you choose a strong, unique password for your hardware wallet and other accounts associated with your digital assets. The second thing is that it's a good idea to enable two-factor authentication whenever possible, as this is going to add an extra layer of security to your accounts. Another important step is to keep your hardware wallet and any other devices or accounts associated with your digital assets safe and secure. This means keeping your hardware wallet in a secure location, such as a safe or a locked drawer, and avoiding sharing private keys or other sensitive information with anyone else. It's also a good idea to regularly update the firmware on your hardware wallet and keep your computer and other devices free from malware and other security threats. So keep doing those updates. Now, overall, self-custody of cryptocurrency and digital assets is a convenient and secure way to manage your assets. But it is important that you take the necessary steps to protect your keys and keep your assets safe from hackers and other threats. By using a hardware wallet and following the best practice for security, you can ensure that your digital assets are well protected and that they do remain in your control.
So I hope you enjoyed that clip there. If you want to access that free course, you will find a link below this video. That course is completely free and available to everybody. Thank you very much for your time today. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Talk to you later. Goodbye now.